welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to troubleshoot a sunroof on Audi vehicle. So here we have a 2017 Audi Q7 that we're connected. What you want to do is you plug in the YOUCANIC scanner under the dash into the OBD2 port and then turn on the ignition without turning on the ignition, turning on or starting the engine. So once you turn the ignition on, go to Diagnostics, select Audi. You can do Smart VIN or automatically select the model, but let's go the long route and do manual selection. And we go to Audi Q7. Here it's a 2015, so it falls in this 2007 and newer. It's not a, you don't want to select the 2016 one. You're going to select this line 30 where it says 2007 and up, and then we'll select 2015. It's 3.0 engine. Go to Diagnostics, go to Control Modules, and look, scroll until you find, let me see, Central Convenience Control System 2. This is what operates and controls that sunroof. This vehicle has 3 sunroofs, 3 separate ones. This is the Q7, so it's got a total of 3 sunroofs. So here in this, if you get no communication, that means that module that controls the sunroof is not getting power, is defective, or might have a blown fuse, so check that. But if you see this screen, then you are connected to the module, so the module is unlikely to be the issue. You can go to read codes, and then here you're going to see what codes are present. These are all passive old codes, so these codes can clear. You can save them if you like, or even email them. Go back, you can come here and clear these codes. Press yes, and then those codes will clear. Now if you have codes that are active and you do not fix it, even if you clear them, and if they sometimes they will clear, but then they'll return as soon as you operate the vehicle. So when you have active codes, you have to address them, fix them before you can clear them. You can go to live data, for example, hit custom list, select all, press OK, and then this is where can help with troubleshooting, because if you operate the switch on the roof to open the sunroofs, you see the status here being recognized, open or closed. It also tells you what the car sees as the sunroof being closed, open. This is good. Like if one of the micro switches on the sunroof is defective, it might, think it's closed, but it's not. Things of that nature. These do operate, update as you operate the switches, so these values will update live. So if you press the switch and then it doesn't change the status, or whichever switch we're operating, then you know that you have an issue there. Let's go back though, because what you can do, you can actually use the scan tool to operate the sunroof. So if you go back, this is the home for this module, Central Convenience Control System 2. Go to Active Tests, Selective Active Tests, and you can do a few things with the LEDs here, but if you keep scrolling down, you can see front sunroof, open, raise, and then you can control that right from here. So if it does work with this, but it does not work with your switch there, then you might have a bad switch. But if it doesn't work from here or from the switch, maybe the problem is the sunroof motor that's going bad. So rear sunroof, front sunroof, close, open, raise, close, lower, and so on. And roof blinds, open, close, and some other active tests that you can run. This can be pretty helpful troubleshooting sunroofs on Audi vehicles, because they are controlled by this module, and a lot of times they will trigger codes. And that's it. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.